Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi everyone, it's Shahzad Artist here. Welcome back to your channel because it's your channel, guys. Today video was super highly requested because a lots of you guys asked me to teach us calligraphy. So today video topic is how to learn calligraphy, how to improve your writing, because all related about calligraphy. So you 99 yeah, 91% of your vote to calligraphy to teach us calligraphy. So let's start the video, guys. So guys, if you want to learn calligraphy, want to write like that, to follow the steps, don't jump over to become direct a calligrapher. If you step 1, step 2 or step 3, make a step up and then become a calligrapher. So guys, if you hear your writing is like that, change into cursive writing or pen style writing, then shade your word like 2 pencil. Then step 3, use cut marker like that, like I write. Then when you hear, then convert into style writing and also write the tense names etc in calligraphy style. So calligraphy is like I write a word with a cut pen, cut marker. It's called a calligraphy style word, sorry. And other than if I copy with pointer, so it's also called calligraphy style. Two of lines, one line word. If I change into two line word, it's become a calligraphy word. So follow the steps to become a calligrapher. Let's So guys, step 1, if you write like that, change into cursive writing style. I prefer cursive writing style. If you want to write pen style writing, no problem, change into cursive writing. Learn cursive writing from my another videos. When you're writing like that, then follow this one or two. I add two same words. Now join them. Joint 1 plus 2, 1 become a gap in two words. This, fill this. So guys, these two step first you done. Then after that, use any cut off marker like this cut. Then cut marker, pick cut marker like that. Your horizontal line dash like thinner, not thicker. So pick marker like that, right from corner start, and same you practice with pointer marker, simple pencil. Now some steps. Marker used to write, half use, full use, light use. So guys, when you practice lots of time, to easy to use cut marker. So guys, follow the steps 1, 2 and 3. So guys, follow these strokes to learn calligraphy easier. Up stroke first, use corner of cut marker, down to up. Only use corner of cut marker. Now downstroke, use full marker and write into a diagonal writing style like straight line. You write in angle line. So use full marker, cut. So now join 1 and 2 step to overturn. Use corner of marker, down to up. Use full marker, up to down. Like that. Corner of marker, turn and use full marker. Now on the turn, use corner of marker, turn and use full marker. Now write 1 and 2 step together. Start from downside, use corner of marker, turn, use full marker, corner of marker, full marker. Now practice, use corner of marker, full marker, corner marker, full. Now upside downside, corner marker, full marker use. Now practice corner marker, full line, full. Now back to this stalk, use full marker, when you practice all of strokes, so easy to write. So guys, practice all of these strokes before my next video. In next video, I teach you more about calligraphy. So don't miss my next video, and also don't forget to like the video. I know you watch all of my videos, but you forget to like the video. Please make sure like the video. If you not subscribe the channel, also subscribe the channel and comment below your opinion about my teaching, what I do for you guys, what I do better to teach you guys. So, and also another thing, follow me on Instagram and send me your practice screenshots. I will answer your DMs immediately as soon as possible. And That's all in this video. Make sure practice all the strokes first, and in next video I teach more about your calligraphy. Okay guys, thank you very much.